Hey, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install a custom front shell on a Xbox controller. But before we start, guys, I wanna give a big shout out to eXtremeRate for sending me these kits. And I wanna let you guys know that if you purchase anything from eXtremeRate website, you can get 10% off by using code LBY. Keep in mind, there are so many designs for this shell you can choose from. Take a look and for sure, you're gonna find one that perfectly fits your style. But yeah, with that being said, it's now time to mount this thing on our controller. Let's do it. Okay guys, we can start taking out from the box the beautiful new front shell. Look at this thing. Oh my god, it really looks amazing. Red is my color, so I love it. And then there are these two rings we're gonna take out as well. And we're gonna take out the tools. There are some extra screws and we're gonna put the box aside. In this other box instead, I also have the side rails to match our front shell. Look at this. Yo, this one looks amazing as well. All right, we got another tool. We're gonna put the boxes aside. And now guys, the process to install this front shell is really easy. But the only tricky part is actually taking out the side rails. To do it, guys, what we gotta do is put this tool under here like that. You're gonna see that it's gonna lift up a little bit like this. And then what you gotta try to do with the tool, go under it like that. And that's how you take it out. So the first time you take it out, it might be a little bit hard because there are a lot of hooks over here. But yeah, that's how you do it. So we're gonna do the same on the other side. And you gotta try to go with your tool under this plastic. And be careful not to hurt yourself while doing this step because it is a little bit tricky. But once you get under it, you do like that. And gently you take it out. Now what we're gonna do is remove the battery. And now guys, we have to lift this label over here like that. And now the only thing we gotta do is remove these screws. And once you have removed all the screws, you're gonna see that the controller will split. We're gonna put the back shell apart. We're gonna flip the controller. And now guys, simply we're gonna remove the front shell. Just as easy as that. I love how easy it is to replace it on the Xbox controller. But now what we're gonna do is put these little rings inside like that until they snap in. We do the same with the other one. And once you have done that, we simply put it on our controller. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Wow. We're gonna flip it and simply reassemble the controller. So we're gonna take our back shell, put it back in position. Now we're gonna take the screws and put them back. And once we have done that, we're gonna put back the label like that. We're gonna put back the battery, cover back on. And now we're gonna install our new side rails. To do it, simply push them like that. I'll do the same on the other one. And that's how you install the custom front shell and the custom side rails.
Nice.
Holy, this controller looks definitely 10 times better than before. So yeah guys, let me know in the comments your honest opinion on my choice for this build. And yeah, that's how you install the custom front shell for an Xbox controller. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to install these kits. It's crazy and the outcome, in my opinion, is amazing. So yeah guys, with that being said, thank you so much for watching the video. And don't forget that we also have some merchandise if you want to check it out. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe so you can help me out too. And with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Take it easy fam, peace, and I'm out.